So this is a Nikon Phototube, and when I got it from where I got it from, this wasn't working very well. That wasn't moving over to either side. So it's a pretty easy fix. Undo 3 screws here, 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 and one down here. Unscrew them. There's actually a little bit of adhesive on this, so it's already off. It broke the adhesive. There's one. There's two. Carpal tunnel syndrome. 3. It's hard to do this with one hand. Hopefully it won't come tumbling out. Move it back a little bit. Okay, and then this one back here. One-handed microscopist. And then when this comes off, I said when this comes off, this comes right out. So this is the problem. This rail right here, and this is the mechanism that slides back and forth. And there's a prism and a little back sort of a plate that it rides on. So I took my old Q-tip and cleaned this up real good, both sides. I haven't cleaned the mirror, but that's not so bad. Now this is afterwards. And you can kind of move it with one hand. Real smooth. That's it. One side to the other.